Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I want to show you on how to make fried meat pies. You can either bake your meat pies or fry them. So on our today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to fry your meat pies. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe, you'll need 250 grams of flour. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste and some sugar to balance the taste. Then I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients well as shown in this video. After mixing the dry ingredients well, we are going to add in margarine or butter. So I used margarine, 50 grams of margarine. So we are going to mix the margarine and the flour until it is crumbly. Your flour should be as crumbly as shown in this video. Then after that, you're going to add half a cup of cold water. Start mixing until you form a nice dough. For this recipe, no need of kneading the dough for long. So you're going to just mix it and form a nice dough. Then you're going to let the dough rest in a fridge for about 30 minutes. For the fillings ingredients, we have 200 grams of minced beef, 1 chopped potato, medium size, 1 carrot, also chopped into pieces as shown in this video. Then I'm going to finely chop your onions. I've used 1 white onion. Then I'm going to cut some coriander leaves and some spices. You can use spices of your choice. So in a pan, you'll start by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'm going to add in the onions, fry them for about 2 minutes or until they become translucent. Then I'm going to add in your beef, minced beef. You're going to give it a mix and add some salt. So you're going to let it cook until the beef is brown. When the meat is brown, you're going to add in spices. As for the spices, I used paprika, garam masala and cumin powder, but you can add spices of your choice. Then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, that is the carrot and the potatoes. Then I'm going to give that a mix. After that, you're going to add some little water and let that simmer until the potatoes are well cooked. After some time, we'll check if the water has dried up and also if the potatoes are well cooked. Then we'll go lastly with the fresh coriander leaves. You're going to give that a mix, and just like that, your fillings will be ready. So you're going to let them cool completely before you fill them for the meat pies. After 30 minutes, you're going to remove the dough from the fridge. Then you're going to divide it into 2 parts. Then you're going to roll out each dough. After rolling out the dough, you are going to cut your dough into a circular shape, but if you have a cutter, that's the better. For me, I didn't have a cutter, so I used this ball so that I can make that nicely round shape. After adding the fillings, you are going to use a fork and press on the dough as shown in this video. When you're done, you're going to let your meat pies rest for about 5 minutes before frying them. On a medium heated oil, you're going to place in your meat pies ready to be fried. So make sure your heat is on medium and the oil is not too hot. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support you have shown me on my previous videos, and for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. So you're going to fry your meat pies until they are nicely golden brown. Then you're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside and repeat the process until you're done with all the meat pies. From the looks of this video, our meat pies turned out so well. They look so delicious. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn to make their meat pies at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.